I've connected a Fluke dry block and a super DAC to the computer using USB to RS232 converter cables. We're now going to interface these using Caliso Temps. So firstly, I pick the Fluke tab and I pick up and drag and drop the super DAC onto its COM port. Now I want to make sure everything's connected properly, so I click the comms panel, then the start button, and after a few seconds we see the data coming backwards and forwards from the unit. I can then click the interface button where we see the channels again, and I can select which of these are sent to the data logger so that we can use them as either units under test or in some cases a reference channel. I'm now going to add the dry block by dragging and dropping. Again, we'll check the communications are okay by clicking the COM tab and then the start button, and now we see the data strings coming back in, so we can then go straight on to the interface by clicking the interface button. Because this is a heat source, we're given the ability to change the set point manually should we wish. By clicking that little panel there, I'm not going to do it, we just simply enter the value and click OK, and then the set point will be changed. So moving to the data logger now, here are the channels that we've added and the ones that we've selected coming in real time. We can select which of these we want to use as our set point and which of them we want to use as our reference channel. And we can see the date and time stamps and the channel names as well. I can also set the display decimals for each channel individually. There are also defaults that we can use for the set point, process variable and other channels, but this is a useful feature if you wanted to set each one individually. We're then going to use this to configure a calibration test run, which we'll show you next.